Winnie the Pooh, Shin-chan. Okay, there are many comic characters you know. Okay, these are shown in the form of series, or you have read those in your different comics books also. Okay, children. Now, today in this session we will study who are the creators of these comic characters. Okay, children. There are different comic characters which are created by different comic artists. Okay. Now, before moving to our exercise to be solved, let us know more about what is comics, how these are created, and what do you mean by the comic artists or comic creators. Okay, children. Now, see children, I have brought with me this magazine of Magic Wand. Okay, in this there is a short comic strip. Okay, in which there is the story name is Winnie versus Virus. Okay, there are two friends. Okay, shown in this comic, and they are talking to each other, sharing something with each other, and this virus want to disturb that Winnie. Okay, it is shown. Now, what do you mean by comics? Comics means comics are visual texts that make use of dialogue, captions, and visual images to communicate a story or a particular message to the reader. Okay, comics are visual text. Okay, they are having dialogues. Okay, in this way, and they are having visual images. Okay, and captions. Okay, children, and they communicate some message to the reader. Okay, children. Now, you children, I have shown in this comic that there is one girl and boy. Okay, and in the caption it is written as "Meanwhile back at the clubhouse." The girl is in the clubhouse and she is asking him that, "Can you hear me?" And the boy replies, "Yes." Okay, so we come to know that the two are talking with each other, and she is asking that, "Can you hear me?" And the boy also replies her that, "Yes, we can hear her." Okay, children. So it has three parts. We come to know comic has three parts. That is dialogue, visual images, and a caption. Okay, in this way. Okay, children. Now, how these are created? First, we have to create some character. Okay, in that it can be people or anything or any animal also you can use. Okay, children. Now the next step is a brainstorm. You have to use or choose some ideas which will show that particular comic incidents. Okay. Now, then you have to write and draw all these things. Okay. And then the fourth step will be of review. Okay. In that you have to see that whether the comic is telling a story or a joke, or it is giving some message, or it is spreading some idea or giving some information to them. Okay, you have to review them. Okay, children. Now, children, we have understood that a comic strip is a drawing of an interrelated panels. Okay, which show some Mickey, Pluto, and Donald. It is created by Walt Disney. Mowgli, comic character, is created by Rudyard Kipling. Okay. Tom and Jerry, comic character, is created by William Horna and Joseph Wagner. Okay. In this way, we are going to study these different comic characters and who created these comic characters in this exercise. Okay. Now these comics can be humorous, these can be fictional. Okay children, these can be showing some mythological stories to you, or these can show a suspense or a thriller also. Okay children, now let us solve the exercise. Okay children? Children, now open your textbook, lesson 16, and we will solve this exercise. Okay? Now, what is the question? The question is, write the names of the creators of the following characters with the help of the clues given below. Okay? Now, in this textbook, you are given these characters. Okay? And you have to, with this clues or the help box given In the box you write option A. Okay, students. Now the seventh one is Spider-Man. Okay, who has created Spider-Man? It is Ed Stanley and Steve Ditko. Okay, right here Stanley and Steve Ditko. Okay, which option? It is option H. Okay, in the box you write H. Now the eighth one is Tarzan. Who has created Tarzan? Now the last option. Okay, that is F. Edgar Rice Burroughs.